Hi kids, welcome back once again. Hope you all are very good. And today I am going to start chapter number 21 and the name of the chapter is apostrophe S. Today we will learn and discuss about lots of things. Chapter number 21 in English grammar and that is apostrophe S. So now I am going to explain you the chapter. What is apostrophe S? So apostrophe is a punctuation mark. This is a punctuation mark. Apostrophe and S. So apostrophe is a punctuation mark used in English writing, like the sister of Ram, Ram's sister, the car of Rahul, Rahul's car, like the car of Rahul. It means this car belongs to Rahul and Rahul belongs to this car. So there is a relationship between the car and Rahul and there is ownership. So we can say the car of Rahul, Rahul's car. The car of Rahul and Rahul's car, Rahul की कार है, Rahul's car. So apostrophe S is used to show relationship or belongings, to show belongings. Like here are some examples. But now a noun can show what it owns. We add an apostrophe S to a noun to show ownership. A noun that shows relationship is a possessive noun. So, a possessive noun always comes before the noun that belongs to it. Like Riya's doll. Riya is playing with a doll, Riya's doll. And we add an apostrophe S to make a singular noun possessive, like cats, boys, and we add an apostrophe like this. Now here we are using apostrophe S, but in plural noun we use only apostrophe. So we add only an apostrophe to make plural nouns ending in S, possessive. Like here is boys now. So boys, apostrophe. Girls and apostrophe. Okay, like here. When noun talk about more than one thing, they usually end in S, like books, students, tails, dogs. So when noun talk about more than one thing, they usually end in S. In such case, we only add apostrophe to show belongings. So we only use an apostrophe like this. So now the apostrophe shows where one or more letters have been taken out. Now here are some examples. First of all, read these sentences. Riya is playing with a doll. Riya's doll can talk. He here Riya's doll means the doll belonging to Riya. The doll belonging to Riya. The elephant's trunk is very long. So here elephant's trunk means the trunk belonging to the elephant. So as an apostrophe s is used to show belongings. So here are some examples. Rewrite these expressions using an apostrophe s. Like here is the doll belongings to Priya, Priya's doll. The tail of the dog's tail. Now here is the pencil belonging to Vijay. The pencil belonging to Vijay. It means here we can write, or we have to write, Vijay's. This is a singular noun. So an apostrophe s and then pencil. Okay, Vijay's pencil. Now next is the horns of the bull. The horns of the bull. So horns belonging to the bull. So here the bull is a singular noun. So an apostrophe s, bull's horns. The book belonging to Sana. It means the book belonging to Sana, Sana's book. Next is the nest belonging to the bird. The bird's nest. Next is the house belonging to Rahul. The house belonging to Rahul, Rahul's house. Now Rahul is a singular noun. So S and house, Rahul's house. Next, now read these sentences. Neeraj is Rahul's brother. Neeraj is Rahul's brother. So here Rahul's brother shows that Rahul and Neeraj are related. Rahul's brother, Neeraj is Rahul's brother. So Rahul's brother shows that Rahul and Neeraj are related, or they have relationship. Maya's school is in Gurgaon. Maya's school is in Gurgaon. So here Maya's school means the school in which Maya studies. The school in which Maya studies. Apostrophe s is also used to show that something is related to another. Apostrophe s is also used to show that something is related to another. Now read these expressions using apostrophe s. Example, sister of Riya. So Riya's sister. The movies in which Salman has acted. So Salman's movies. Now the movies in which Varun has acted. So here is Varun's movies. Varun's movies. The teacher who teaches Meera. So Meera's teacher. The teacher who teaches Meera, Meera's teacher. Father of Nidhi, it means Nidhi's father. Next is the office in which Ruhi works. So Ruhi's office. The school in which Vishu studies. Vishu's schools. Vishu's school. Now, when noun talk about more than one thing, it means when nouns talk about plural things, they usually end in S, like books, notebooks, pencils, bags. In such cases, we only add apostrophe to show belongings. Like this. So, rewrite these expressions using apostrophe, not S, only apostrophe. The bags is a plural, belongings to the guests. So, guests are plural. The bags belongings to the guests. So, the guests' bags. So, guests apostrophe and bags. The toys belongings to the babies. Here is the guest. So, the babies apostrophe. We will not use S, only apostrophe. Toys. The baby's toys. The shirts belongings to the boys. So, the boys an apostrophe and shirts. Next is the shoes belongings to the ladies. So, the ladies an apostrophe and then shoes. The dresses belongings to the girls. So, the girls an apostrophe and then dresses. That's it. Now, next is rewrite these sentences using an apostrophe or an apostrophe S words. Now, hint, look at the words printed in bold like this. Shoes of the students, school of the girls, hostel of the boys, office of my father and the bags carried by. So, please check whether the shoes of the students are cleaned or not. So, here is shoes, it means plural, students, it means plural. So, please check whether please check whether the shoes of the students. So, the students' shoes, students an apostrophe and shoes are cleaned or not. Next is the school of the girls is beside the hospitals. So, the girls an apostrophe and then school of the girls' school is beside the hospital. Next is the hostel of the boys. So, the boys' hostel is closed for Holi. The boys' hostel is closed for Holi. The office of my father. So, my father's office is in Delhi. The bag carried by Rohit is very heavy. So, Rohit's bag is very heavy. So, now wait. Now, the chapter has been finished. Now, you have to complete that work. I hope you all got it. So, take care and goodbye. We will meet you very soon with another topic. So, take care and God bless you.